निकालने का कितना लोगे?
80 रुपये।
Alright guys, hello there. I feel my tire is a bit punctured. Let's see. Actually I was getting a bit stability issues. Let's get some closer look what he is doing. So actually he is spraying some water. I believe he found something. I guess so. So what actually happens here is if he sprays some water, obviously if there is a puncture there would be air leak. If he's spraying some water, he would be able to see air bubbles coming out, or at least hear something. He's doing the same. Alright, I guess he found some. Now what he's doing is just making the hole bigger and removing the nail. I believe there it's something there. Alright, I need to hold this now. Okay, he's now making the hole a bit bigger so that he can insert the material. Now he's actually inserting the material. So this is a special material which actually fills the gap between the tire punctures there. It's just cutting out the extension. Here it is. It was that simple. Okay, let him just check the air pressure, get it filled properly, and here we are ready.